Hey, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can open up a Shopify.com store for your e-commerce business. So if you want to get started with a free trial, I'm going to be showing you guys today how you guys can actually use that. So let's go ahead and get started. Please note that this is a 3-day free trial you can actually use. So go ahead and follow all the steps in this video to actually get this trial. So anyways, what you guys are going to want to do is you're going to want to hover over all these buttons up here. These clickable ones, preferably you're going to want to click the start free trial button. So I'm going to go ahead and click this one right here. And it's going to say, let's get started, whatever. So you can either pick these questions and answer them, or you could just skip them. So I'm gonna go ahead and skip them here, and we're gonna go straight with the store name. You guys can type your store name right here. I'm just gonna skip it, and we're gonna go ahead and answer this. So our business is located here in the United States, so we're gonna go ahead and press that. And what you're gonna want to do now is you're gonna want to sign up with an account, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and get an email right now and go ahead and do this right quick. Okay, so go ahead, type the email, and then type in a password that you want. So here I am gonna type this password. So here we go, typed in that, and then after that, once you create your Shopify account, you will get gifted with a 3-day free trial, guys. A 3-day free trial. So we're going to go ahead and wait for the store to actually be built here in a second. And then once we are done waiting for this timing thing, it'll send us to the admin panel where we will get access to Shopify's free trial features. So you can go ahead and start up a drop shipping store from here, and you guys can actually see at the bottom right here, we have a free trial that has just started. Now we can enjoy 3 months of Shopify for $1 a month, which really I don't think is too bad. You can cancel at any time. So like I said at the beginning of the video, we do have a 3-day trial. So you could see right here when I click it, we're gonna go ahead and click the sign up now. You guys can see right here on the screen, if it actually loads up here, that we won't be charged until our free trial ends on September 9th, guys. So it is a 3-day free trial that you actually do get. You can see today is September 6th, 2022, and our free trial ends on the 9th. So go ahead, guys, use this to your advantage. It is a pretty cool thing to actually have if you want to actually go ahead and try Shopify's features and what's so. So anyways, that's been it for the video. I'll see you guys for the next one.